Hi guys, today I want to talk about sound design on YouTube videos using copyright-free music, and the one I use is SOUNDSTRIPE. This is a web-based program where you can download loads of different music and sound effects, and it's what I use all the time. So once you're actually on the website, you can just type in your details here, create a free account, and you can actually have a look around, browse, and actually get 3 free tracks as well. So it's excellent, and it prevents you having to use crappy music on YouTube when on your videos. So when you actually put into your details here, you can go and browse, you can look at all the different songs and the playlists, and then you can test them out and get some inspiration for your video. So for drone videos especially, there's some fantastic tracks, and I'm just going to show you a few of them today. But if you're doing a unboxing or a travel video or whatever your YouTube channel's about, this is perfect. So on the playlist, there's loads of different playlists already curated for different genres: weddings, staff picks here, you've got travel, soft music, beats music, loads, absolutely loads. So you could spend ages going through all of these, and the good thing is before you commit to actually subscribe to this, you can look at them all and test them out to see if you like them. The playlist Big Epic Beauty has some fantastic drone shots. Let's just play a couple. And you might recognize some of these from the actual drone videos that I do, and this is where I get all my music from. Once you like that track, you can go into the corner here and you can click add to playlist. You can create your own playlist or add it to one you've already created, and then you can keep going through them. But this actual playlist, I use a lot of these songs, and a lot of them are perfect for drone videos. So that's a really good playlist. I've also actually got my own playlist as well. So I've only had this playlist for a short while, but whenever I add a song now, I'm going to add it to this playlist. So you can actually search for my playlist as well. And a lot of these tracks you might be recognizing yourself from the videos I've done. Some great songs on here, but a lot of them are drone based or smooth, relaxing songs, not really heavy songs because they don't really flow well with drone videos. So it's really easy to navigate around the website, selecting different songs that you like. You might not like some, move on, and then you can actually use them on your YouTube videos. So once you've picked a song, so I like this song at the top here, you can look at similar songs, add it to favorites, add it to a playlist, or get a preview. But what I'm going to talk about now is how to actually license it on your video. You get unlimited licenses with this subscription, so you can license it as many times as you want without copyright strikes. So let's talk about how to do it. So in project title, just put in the name of your video or your channel name. So I'm just going to put my name in here and then use it on a video, which I'm going to show you how to. So once you put your name in there, just click on go to downloads. Then it gives you a choice. And the great thing about this is you've also got the MP3, but the higher quality WAV format as well. Or if you just like particular parts of the actual thing, so I just like the bass, or just like that background bit, I don't want anybody singing, you can split it up so you can only download the areas of the track you want. So if it's just the drums, you can download just the drums. If you just want the actual vocals, just the vocals. It's brilliant. You can split it all up into as much as you want. At the bottom is all the details about how to get the proof of license, so you can download this. I don't tend to do this because I've had no problems with it whatsoever, but if you want to download a copy of the proof of license, you can do, or you can actually click here and then copy this, and this is a proof and it will automatically clear any restrictions that you get through YouTube. But like I say, I've downloaded absolutely hundreds of these songs and I've never had one. But if you want to, you can download that proof as well to avoid any copyright issues, but I've had zilch. So let's just download that track now, because I'm going to be using that very shortly on a Final Cut edit. So I'll show you how to do that. So that's now downloaded, and you can also get sound effects as well. It's got thousands of different sound effects. I tend to use forest sounds, waves, people, ambience, things like that on videos, and it adds a lot to them effects. So let's open up now Final Cut. I'm going to show you that track, how I'm going to use it. So this is actually split up from the last video I did when I was in the Lake District, and I've just took all the drone videos here. I'm going to add that actual song which we downloaded before because I think that's going to fit well. So I'm just going to drag that over now to my timeline and then just put it directly underneath all these clips. And I'm going to do a really fast edit and show you how you can use it and how this music is going to make your actual video look so much better. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting the actual clips to the beat of that music. So this has got quite a high beat tempo to it, but it's more of a dramatic build up, and that's what I'm going through. So I'm just going through now the timeline, and I'm actually just cutting it to the beat of the song. If you're a beginner at editing, don't worry about cutting to the beat, but by using music, which is licensed music, it's going to be decent, good quality music which you hear on different videos, on adverts. It's not the rubbish which you might get on the YouTube Sound Studio, or this copyright free music you might find on YouTube, but ends up once you actually use it, it's not copyright free, and then you're going to get problems and issues with your YouTube channel. So by using actual licensed music, like a subscription like this, you're going to avoid any problems, and you can monetize your YouTube channel. So if you've got a YouTube channel, then this is perfect. I also want to add some sound effects as well. So I'm going to add a couple of forest sounds. So just as we did before, I've picked a forest ambient sound, click license, and then I'm going to download that track. And I'm going to do that to 2 or 3 different tracks just now. Let's get them all licensed and downloaded. So there's 3 tracks there, and I'm going to drag them now onto that same timeline. So it's so easy how it's just download, drag it over, download, drag it over. It's brilliant. It's so quick. The amount of time I used to search for music, it took hours. It was so frustrating. So now they're on the actual timeline, I can play that back with some ambient sound. So that's good, but I don't want them too loud. I don't want it to overpower the actual music. I want it just to be in the background so you can hear it subtly. So I'm going to lower them. So they're now in the background, but I've just lowered the volume of them tracks. And then when we play it again, it's better. So I'm now just going to go through that timeline, and I'm going to move some of them sound effects to the areas where I'm just around the trees. You don't want it to be the same sound effects throughout the whole one. And then this one here, we're in the cave, so there's a few people about. So I'm going to go back onto SOUNDSTRIPE, and I'm going to just search for people. I want some ambient sound of maybe people chatting, and I found this one here. And although it's got a bit of a dog barking, you know, there could be a dog in that area, and there's people chatting around. So this is going to also add to that actual sound design. So when you're actually wanting to create videos, think about this. Think about, rather than just that drone footage, think about the music that's going to go along with it. Think about the sound effects, and when you tie them all in together, that's when your footage visually looks so much better. And then from here now, we're going to be over this little lake. So I just want a nice little soft sound of some waves. This will do. So again, quick, add them songs now to that timeline, and I've got different sound effects to link in with this actual video. It just makes it visually better, tying them all in together like that. And once I've done that, it's just a case of exporting it. So we're just going to click in the top right corner on Final Cut, and that will now export that. And whilst that's doing that, I'm just going to quickly talk about why I use this. So like I said, I used to go on and type in copyright-free music on YouTube, and I would go, honestly, spend hours looking for some tracks. And especially for drone videos or travel videos, which I like to do, then a lot of them tracks just don't fit. This has got so many good playlists where it's nice, smooth, ambience music, or maybe some build-up music, or if you're doing an unboxing, it's got a full unboxing actual playlist as well. It just makes it so much easier for you, and then you can actually dedicate more time for your videos. Let's check it out. A really fast edit there, but just to show you how easy it is using this, using decent music and sound effects. If you want to sign up, it's linked in the description below. The prices start $12.50 a month based on an annual plan. So that's about £8.87 in the UK, or the music and sound effects, $20.50, £14.55 in the UK. But if you use the code DRenmPro15, you're going to get an extra 15% off them as well. So if you've got a YouTube channel, if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel and you want to monetize every one of your videos, so you're actually generating an income from your YouTube videos, rather than spending hours searching for music, for free music online on, say, copyright free sounds and things like that, right, which might not always be copyright free, use actual music subscription sites like this. Make it so much easier for you. You can search for the music you want, you can search for different playlists, I just wanted to show you what I use. A lot of people ask me, the music I use for all the videos is SOUNDSTRIPE. So if you want to, go and check it out, it'll be linked in the description below. So I hope that's helpful to them guys asking. Take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.